Hi, in this video I want to show you how you can clean your Shark FlexBreeze. Do this every 6 months, or if it's very dusty, do it more than that. Make sure you're unplugged, but remember this has a battery built in, so we have to put the fan into lock mode, because otherwise we could end up turning it on accidentally when we're working with the blade. To put it into lock mode, we're going to be holding down this oscillate button for around 3 seconds, and the lights will flash on here. That will actually disable the fan from working. So holding it down now. There you go, you can see the lights have flashed there. So now this is disabled. So if I try to turn it on, it will not work, which is what we want. Now we're going to get a little screwdriver, a little Phillips crosshead screwdriver, and there's a little screw just here. So we're going to undo this screw. And safely put that to one side. And then if you have a look here, it's got a lock and unlock symbol. Right now it's under lock there, so we're going to move it down to there. There's a little tiny arrow. So we're going to get this, we're going to move it around to there, and this will allow us to get our fingers in here and just pull it out, like so. So you can get a vacuum cleaner and you can give this a nice, good clean. And now we can also take the blade apart as well. We've got this here. Now you might think that you're going to be turning it this way to loosen it. You're not, it's reverse thread. So we need to be turning it clockwise to actually loosen it. So grab the fan with one hand. This is why you need to disable the fan in case it accidentally turns on. So grab the fan here. We're going to be turning this clockwise. Again, there is a little symbol there saying unlock, unlock. So we're going to turn it towards the unlock that way there. Keep on doing it. And then it will allow us to take this fan out here. And although this fan is pretty much new, you can still see from a little bit of use, there's a big clump of hair that's got wrapped around this bit here. And also, if you have a look in the bottom here, you can see that is a nice bit of dust formed just across there like so. So it gives you a chance to clean out the whole of the inside and also the fan as well. Now let's pretend we've cleaned it. We need to put this back on. If you have a look, can you see there's a metal bit going through here? This is what locks the fan into place, and if you look at the back of the fan, we have this bit here. So we need to line up that metal bit with this bit here. Now it is a bit awkward, so what you can do, if you look closely in here, you can see that there's a cross. If you go look right the way in here, it's a bit awkward to see, but you can see that there's a bit, there's like a moulded bit that goes right the way through. So I can see on this bit going down here there isn't, but it looks like there's a little tunnel going across here on the bottom. Well, that's the bit that we need to line up with this thing here. So what we're going to do is just line it up there. Let's put this one vertical, and then I can put this vertical, and it will make it easier to line up. There we go. I've now gone right the way in. I've gone past the screw thread there, so I know that's fully home now. And then we need to get this bit here, and we need to put this on anti-clockwise, so counterclockwise to tighten it. So we're going this way around. And give that a nice good tighten. So I'm holding the fan and I'm tightening with this hand here. So that's nice and tight now. And we're going to get our fan here. We know that the screw post is the one that goes at the bottom, so you know roughly which way to put it. And if you put the arrow towards the unlock part, it will allow you to then turn it to put it towards the lock part. So the arrow's on unlock, turn the whole thing so that the arrow is now on lock. There we go, you can hear it lock into place like that. And now we're going to do up the screw at the bottom. So if the screw's not going up, it could be because maybe this is tilted this way. So make sure it's fully like so, and you'll be able to easily do the screw up. There we go, that screw's now done up. So your fan will be nice and clean, and we need to take it off lock mode. So we're going to come back to the oscillate button here. We're going to hold it down for about 3 seconds. The lights will flash, and there we go. You can see now they flash there, and the fan is now operating again, and it'll be nice and clean. Nice and straightforward. Thanks for watching.